Hey John and Hank, hey NERDFIGHTERS, and welcome to Barcelona. As the very few known Spanish NERDFIGHTERs, we thought it would be fun to play sort of the cultural ambassador and show you some of our Christmas traditions. So we're taking you to the Christmas fair. Yay! Cuando tú digas.
Yeah.
So we're in one of Barcelona's most important squares right now. We've got the town hall to the right and the government of Catalonia to the left. And behind me you can see a nativity which is held every year in this square and made pretty and stuff, and everywhere is here, and every year the statues are different. But now we're on to the Christmas fair. So this is not directly Christmas related, but we thought we'd show you this beautiful Gothic arch. Admire Barcelona's Gothic. It's Christina moving my hand, I'm not doing anything. Fang in Catalan means clay and not especially pointy teeth. Hi, we're at the Christmas fair already. Yay! Christina, stop making me wave my arms. Funny little hat on top and the pipe and everything. Right, they're called Galilee, which roughly translates into pooping log. Yes, that's it. These logs are taken out of their closets and wherever they've been kept at the beginning of December, and then they are fed throughout the month. Don't ask me how they can eat. We usually gave them cookies and tangerines, and they eat them. And on Christmas Eve, they get their behinds covered with blankets, and then they get hit with sticks, while the children sing songs about sort of ordering the log to deliver presents. And when the song is over, the blanket is lifted and, hello, presents galore for everyone. Yeah, the log basically transforms the food into presents. So we've just explained how kids get presents from a log that poops them. So now we're going to explain another very typical Christmas tradition that belongs to the nativity. It is very common for families here to build their small nativities at home, and some are really real life with moss and tree trunks and the sky and little houses and the river made of tin foil. And there is a very traditional figure, which is the pooper. This is a man who's crouching between the moss bushes and pooping. He probably got really excited about Jesus being born and, couldn't help himself. He's not to blame really, but this little Christmas, so to say, thing has become sort of an institution, and it is very traditional to make caganers, that is poopers, from famous characters and celebrities and politicians, and they're sort of cool actually. My dad collects them. And also thank you to my boyfriend who's been filming this. He's kind of my very own personal Yeti because he doesn't want to appear in the video, and he's a wonderful writer. So, it's like John Green was my Yeti, but you're better looking, honey. You're better looking, my darling. So thank you for watching, and well, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Bon Nadal, Feliz Navidad,
Fröhliche Weihnachten.
Joyeux Noël.